Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are taking an in-depth look at one of the most futuristic and aggressive luxury motorhome concepts of 2026, inspired by Corvette DNA and designed to blur the line between a supercar and a high-end rolling mansion. This vehicle is not just about transportation, it is about making a statement wherever it goes, and from the first glance, you can tell this is unlike any motorhome you have ever seen before. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Corvette-inspired motorhome looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The front fascia is extremely bold, with a sharply sloped panoramic windshield that gives it a jet-like appearance. The LED lighting signature is fully integrated into the body, featuring razor-thin headlights, aggressive DRLs, and glowing accent lines that run across the front and sides. The neon green and white color scheme is eye-catching and clearly performance-inspired, while the aerodynamic curves help reduce drag, something rarely prioritized in traditional motorhomes. The side profile is low and wide, giving the motorhome a planted, road-hugging stance. Large blacked-out windows wrap around the cabin, enhancing both privacy and visual flow. Massive alloy wheels with low-profile tires and a multi-axle setup underline the power and stability this motorhome promises. Even the rear design continues the sporty theme, with sculpted panels, integrated spoilers, and futuristic lighting that completes the aggressive look. Moving inside, the interior of this 2026 motorhome is where luxury truly comes alive. As you step in, you are greeted by a high-tech cockpit inspired by modern supercars and private jets. The driver's area features a fully digital curved dashboard with multiple high-resolution displays showing navigation, performance data, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment controls. Premium materials dominate the cabin, including soft-touch leather, carbon fiber accents, brushed aluminum trims, and customizable ambient lighting that can change color depending on mood or time of day. The living area is spacious and intelligently designed, offering a lounge with plush reclining sofas, a large smart TV, and a premium surround sound system. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave oven, smart refrigerator, coffee machine, and plenty of storage, all seamlessly integrated into a sleek, modern layout. The bedroom area offers a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and panoramic side windows, creating a hotel-like experience on wheels. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a luxury shower, modern sink, smart toilet, and premium fixtures that rival those found in five-star hotels. When it comes to performance, this motorhome is not just about comfort, it is engineered to perform. The 2026 model is expected to feature a high-output hybrid or fully electric powertrain, delivering instant torque and smooth acceleration despite its size. Advanced suspension systems, including adaptive air suspension, ensure a comfortable ride while maintaining excellent stability at highway speeds. The multi-axle configuration improves weight distribution and handling, making long journeys less tiring and more controlled. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking features. Thanks to its aerodynamic design and lightweight composite materials, this motorhome is more efficient than traditional RVs, offering improved range and lower operating costs, especially in hybrid or electric configurations. Now let's talk about pricing, because a vehicle like this clearly targets the ultra-luxury segment. The estimated price for the 2026 Corvette-inspired luxury motorhome is expected to start around $1.2 million and can easily exceed $2 million depending on customization options, powertrain choice, and interior upgrades. Buyers can personalize almost every detail, from exterior paint and wool designs to interior materials, layouts, and smart technology packages. This motorhome is not designed for the average buyer, but for celebrities, business elites, motorsport enthusiasts, and luxury travelers who want exclusivity, performance, and comfort all in one package. In conclusion, the 2026 Corvette-inspired motorhome represents the future of luxury travel. It combines aggressive supercar styling with the comfort of a high-end apartment and the technology of a modern smart vehicle. From its bold exterior and lavish interior to its advanced performance and premium pricing, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. If you are someone who believes that the journey should be just as exciting as the destination, this futuristic motorhome sets a new benchmark for luxury on the road. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this beast on a cross-country adventure? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive car and motorhome reviews.